Hey Hearn Group followers, it's Matt Levchenko here with another one of our newest Elite Vendor members here. I want to introduce you to Adrian Boland with Boland Remodeling Services. And now, what's really awesome about this Elite Vendor is that he can do pretty much anything. I mean, I asked him, I said, what do you do? Do you do foundations? Do you do roofs? Do you do yes, yes, and yes. So I get asked all the time, hey Matt, I need somebody that can do this contractor-wise, and I'm going to be honest with you, I'm never really comfortable doing it because a lot of the people that I've worked with in that industry, they don't show up on time, they're never on budget, they never finish when they said they were going to, and I find it really difficult to put my name behind that. And so that's why I'm super excited to introduce you to Adrian here today. So Adrian, tell us a little bit more about Boland Remodeling, what you've done so far, what you love doing, and how people can get in touch with you.
Well, I've been doing remodeling for about 5 years now. I run about 4 crews. Awesome. We do roofing, drywall, anything that you need done, remodeling, repairs, we do it.
Fantastic.
We do landscape too as well. If you need your grass cut, landscaping, we do it as well.
See, I didn't even say anything earlier today, and he pulls out his phone and he's showing me all the photos of the projects that he has. And I know Christy, my wife's watching, and he showed me this outdoor patio with like stonework and whatnot. I said, that's not even fair.
Now you're in there for
throw it in there. So anyway, so you can find Adrian on Facebook. I'm going to put the link to his Facebook here in the video. And then what's the best way they can reach you phone-wise, email-wise?
Phone-wise, it's 913-293-5004. My email is bolandremodeling@gmail.com.
Awesome.
And then Facebook is @bolandremodeling. So.
Awesome. So yeah, so if you got any projects coming up, if you got to get your house ready to sell, if you just moved in and you don't want to tackle all those punch list items, give this guy a call. Take care.